goes Kevin Hicks. Now Kevin Hicks is on the track. Kevin's going to be a good time. He got up to that. His time last time was 73.3 seconds.
After that.
And he had a good time too. 62.9 seconds. 62.9 seconds.